Not your keys, not your coins. For sure, you've heard that one before. You must have, in fact, heard it many, many, many times, possibly hundreds. It's all about your non-custodial wallet, right? Because by controlling the private keys of a digital wallet, you also control the assets in that wallet. So first of all, never, ever share those private keys. But secondly, make sure that you're selecting a good wallet. And that's easier said than done because there are a lot of options out there, a lot of chains as well, of course. And many chains ask you to have a separate wallet specific to their chain. That's why I want to introduce you guys to XDEFI Wallet. This is a wallet that is capable of handling 34 chains. That includes, by the way, EVM chains, Cosmos, IBC chains, and also Solana, Bitcoin, BNB, and others. It is all in one wallet, and it's also the first and only wallet that allows bridging between both Ethereum and Cosmos tokens. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest on this Friday, but you got to remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor. And that means that this video does not constitute official financial or investment advice. So what exactly is XDEFI Wallet? Let's start out with a closer look here. I'm going to show you what it can do. So first of all, the digital crypto wallet market is competitive. And you probably have heard of, or maybe even have MetaMask, possibly Trust Wallet. And then in Cosmos, really it's the same with a Kepler or Phantom in Solana. But I want to show you why XDEFI stands out. For starters, the latest integration is with Osmosis, which is the swap protocol in the IBC. And they've also integrated Squid Router powered by Axelar. And this allows you to transfer any supported asset into the Cosmos ecosystem with only one click. It took less than 4 minutes and costs were around $1.65. And so as a result, there's no more need for using various third-party bridges and dApps. And this is unique because no other wallet can do this. And really, besides being the best wallet to get in and out of Cosmos, it's also the best wallet for Ethereum and Cosmos. As you can see here in this example, we're swapping USDC on Polygon for Atom. And you can see the routing. And then behind the scenes, what's really going on is bridge USDC to AXL USDC, that's Axelar supported, and swap AXL USDC for Atom. And XDEFI supports around 80% of all tokens on CoinGecko. But since we're talking about Cosmos, it supports 14 of the top Cosmos chains. And that's also great news for our American viewers watching this because, of course, it's easy for them to swap in and out of Atom. There's also an integrated swap. I had 100 USDC here and swapped 20 USDC into Matic. Just make sure you have some Matic to start out the process. That's in order to pay for the transaction fees. In this case here, it took about 4 minutes for me to swap $20 worth of USDC into 27 Matic. And then for the swap part, XDEFI Wallet supports Ledger and Trezor. However, here's the most interesting part. You can swap and bridge between 10,000 assets on 34 chains in Wallet, which is super impressive. What I also like is that all your assets from every chain are displayed on a single screen. Let's take a closer look at this. The XDEFI Wallet displays all your assets on one screen. I find this convenient. It's also different from how MetaMask and Trust Wallet display their assets. Let me show you here. Because XDEFI shows you the total amount of USDT or any other token that you have across all chains. And remember, that's all in one display. So now you can click a drop-down menu and see which chains your USDT is on. And this is totally unlike MetaMask, by the way. Here, you can only see the amount of USDT on a particular chain. Or for instance, Trust Wallet. This shows that you have 5 tokens for USDT, but you still can't see the total number. XDEFI works differently. In fact, it has 2 important differences, and they make it more convenient to use. Number 1, you can see exactly how much of a particular token you have in total. So for example, 10 USD. And number 2, you can also switch the view on how many tokens you have on a particular network. So $5 USD on Avalanche and maybe $5 on Arbitrum. Furthermore, when you click on the logo, it allows you to copy the wallet address for that specific asset, which is a feature that's very convenient. But XDEFI also stores NFTs, and NFTs in XDEFI work in, I would say, a new innovative way, actually, because instead of seeing all your NFTs in the respective chain, XDEFI shows them all in one gallery. This is a great feature. It's very convenient. As you can see, you can click on an NFT and all kinds of information appears, including which chain the NFT is. And they're also in one gallery, like I said. However, you can also view them in their respective chains gallery. And what I like about this section is that the wallet also supports Bitcoin inscriptions. You may know them as ordinals. We've been talking about them quite a bit lately. And the great thing is that they show up in your gallery, exactly the same as all your other NFTs. XDEFI is a non-custodial wallet. So that means that there's no need for a KYC, a Know Your Customer procedure. You may also remember the controversy surrounding Consensus recently. They, of course, own MetaMask, and they were tracking IP addresses on MetaMask. XDEFI doesn't do any of that. And they also offer great chat support. The staff answers any questions that you may have. They're also very responsive. For example, they solved 1,900 support tickets this year during the first 5 months. You can also easily import any wallet into XDEFI. So, for example, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Phantom if you want. However, you can also import your Kepler without having to unstake your IBC assets. And the team is working on an XDEFI gas tank. This is coming up in either October, maybe November. Let's dive into this. I'll explain a little bit further what this is. Basically, XDEFI is working on a unique gas abstraction feature. You're going to be able to pay for gas on any XDEFI supported chain, and you can do this via a gas tank, which you can fund with stablecoins or XDEFI. And so you never need to worry about having the right gas tokens in your wallet to try out a new chain or product. But more importantly, this is going to work on Cosmos, ETH, Near, Solana, any supported chain. And XDEFI has 195,000 weekly active users. That's a number that grew at 140% in 2022, and so far 30% in 2023, despite the pretty harsh bear market conditions. XDEFI is a wallet that has impressed us for a variety of reasons. It has already a very good reputation. It's user-friendly. It's great for beginners. Don't forget to install XDEFI Wallet, and you can check the link out in the description of this video for more info.